Hello everyone and welcome to MsSprinkles Delights, and on today I'll be showing you how to do baked macaroni and cheese in the air fryer. So let's get started. And here we have my MsSprinkles Delights customized glass cutting board my mom made me for Christmas. Yay! And here's all my ingredients. We are going to be using a Kuhn Rikon 4-quart microwave pressure cooker to make this macaroni and cheese. So here we have 3 cups of penne pasta. And I also will be using 3.5 cups of water. And then we're just going to put the lid on, you press it down, and you actually have to twist it so it'll lock, so it'll be able to seal. We're going to put it into the microwave. And we're going to set it for 7 minutes. Alright, the macaroni and cheese has went off. And it has a blue valve just like an electric pressure cooker. But you're able to release your pressure this way. Just take the back of a spoon and continuously tap it. And it will release the pressure from the pressure cooker so that you can open it. Now it will completely lock. It will not let you open it until you have released all the pressure from that valve. And as you can tell, it's went completely down now. So once it has went down, you will unlock it and just open it. And your pasta's done. 7 minutes. And you just drain your water. And now we're going to add a 1/2 stick of butter. Some Himalayan pink salt. Some ground black pepper. And we're going to add some nutritional yeast flakes. I used about 2 teaspoons in this. You guys have seen me use this before. I don't use it all the time, but I do like it in my macaroni and cheese. I think it's used a lot in vegan cooking. And here I am just cutting up some cubes of Velveeta cheese. And your pasta is still hot, so the inside of this microwave pressure cooker actually stays hot just like it would if it was an electric one. So it does hold heat pretty good. A lot of people asked me about this device whenever I used it in my last video. So I decided just to do a video and a review on it for you guys because it was the first time I had used it. So I thought I would just let you guys know so y'all can shoot on over to QVC and get you one as well. Just going to mix everything, and we are going to mix in a little bit of sharp cheddar. And this is less than a 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar because we're using 4 cheeses. And then we're going to use a 1/2 cup of Kobe Jack cheese. And of course, we're going to use some Gouda. I'm going to use 3 slices of Gouda. And you can add cheeses, take away cheeses. And I'm actually going to put in some Parmesan as well. All these cheeses that I use are totally optional. So you use whatever your taste buds are, what you want to taste. And we're just gonna mix that up. So I'm doing this macaroni all in one pot. And then I'm going to take a half cup of half and half and 1 egg. And I'm just going to beat it together. You don't want to put the egg in there by itself because you have to temper it before you put it into something hot, or you'll have scrambled eggs inside your dish. And you definitely don't want to do that. So temper it with half and half, or you can use evaporated milk, whichever one you choose. And then you'll just mix it up. And then we're just going to put it into our, this is a 6-inch, I believe, loaf pan. Look at all that cheesy goodness. When it's just done, we're just going to top it with the rest of our sharp cheddar. Once you have all your cheese situated, we are going to cover this with the vented aluminum foil that has holes in it. And we're just going to cover it. We're going to put it into the air fryer. And we're putting it into my new air fryer. And we are putting it on 390 for 15 minutes. And we did this halfway. I took it off, took the aluminum foil off. And this is the end result. Baked macaroni and cheese in the air fryer. I hope you guys enjoyed this review on the Kuhn Rikon Duramatic microwave pressure cooker. And here's your baked macaroni and cheese. Until next time, thanks guys for coming by. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a Merry Christmas.